When it comes to desserts, we all want ones that taste homemade, yet we often don't have the time to make it from scratch. If that sounds like you, then now would be the time to turn up the volume, because we've got a dump cake that's super fast and super tasty. All we do is dump a good amount of fresh or frozen blueberries, some sugar, a bit of lemon zest, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice in a 9x13 pan, and give it a good stir. On top of that, we sprinkle a box of lemon cake mix before finishing it off with some pats of butter. Yup, it's that simple, and yes, the cake mix is the dry mix right out of the box. Now, this goes into the oven for about 45 minutes or until it's golden and the blueberries are bubbling. You see, the tartness of the lemon and the sweetness of the blueberries make a winning combination. And as you can see, it doesn't get any easier than this, since all we do is dump, mix, sprinkle, and bake. And when you dish this up with some whipped cream, you can bet this will be on your most requested list, week after week. I do hope you'll go online after the news and get the recipe for our citrus berry dump cake so you can enjoy a homemade taste without all the work. Hey Kelly, you want to try some? I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen with Kelly, who rarely says no to dessert, especially when it's as we say here, ooh, it's so good. Good?